Model 2015 VAUXHALL Vivaro L1 Diesel 2700 1.6CDTI 115PS H1 van body, white, panel van mileage, 233599 MOT, 14 March 2024 engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PS E5A transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, aircon EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.